going on, guys? What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Hey guys, it's me, Bob Belcher.
Hello.
Hey guys, it's me, Bob Belcher.
Hey, Bob Belcher. What's going on, guys? It is Gamey Monkey here, and
What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys?
what's going on,
guys?
What's
It's
going on,
Bob's
guys?
Burgers.
What's going on? What's going on?
We are
guys?
in an
What's going on,
apocalyptic.
guys? Stop taking pictures of me. Stop taking pictures of me. Stop taking pictures of me.
Father, when am I gonna be on my? I hope
Why,
the
Linda?
world
Hit
does
me
me.
again.
I invented a new dance. I call it the trans people are okay, but puberty blockers is just wrong. It's a new dance. Here it is.
Gus just joined.
Oh shit!
He probably has to install all the add-ons.
Editor's note, put a picture of a frog, next time Nick talks.
Oh my god, that was a jump scare.
Editor's note, put a picture of Mr. Incredible over this sweat. They should make an update in Minecraft. It's called, Caves and Cliff Part 3, and no one cares about it.
SpongeBob will be cancelled on January 28th, 2014.
It actually did work, that's why SpongeBob didn't get cancelled.
Mom, are you okay? Why are you dead? Thankfully, I saved the entire Bob's Burgers house in my backpack, Linda Belcher.
I do not care.
I was so happy we paid off the mortgage on our old house and we have this super gaming house too. And also, guys, I have some more good news. I just bought a tractor.
There's no way.
Wait, we got...
Hold on, let me find it. Let me find it. What are you doing?
I'm trying to put in the super gaming equipment.
What is this?
It's dirt, it's dirt.
Because it's hard to jump on stuff.
Fuck you.
Stop ruining the gaming house.
Yeah.
Is there
If you do, you might attract a tractor, dude.
You
Wait,
might
look, can we...
Attract a sea tractor.
It's Donald Trump.
I just heard a sound effect and that scared the shit out of me.
What is that? Thanks. Not only did you destroy our house, you crashed the server.
And you destroyed the Bob's Burgers house too.
You
You can see Linda just running in place.
Why'd you do that?
Thanks a lot, Michelle.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel.
What did I do?
You're the one that spawned that stupid fucking thing.
What thing?
I don't know. You ruined the gaming house. Our super gaming house got demolished by Michelle. You edited it in there, I'm not gonna kill you.
Houston,
Still
Texas.
loading.
California.
Hi, Mom. I've been listening
Hello.
to this channel called Beluga. I think he's really funny. Can you let me have a Discord account?
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Mom, have you ever heard of this guy? His name is Beluga, and like, what he said when the hacker like calls you a bad word on Discord? I don't know.
You don't need all this non-gaming junk.
Mom, that's where all my clothes are.
It's
You're a
not
leftist.
gaming.
You're a leftist.
Ain't no way. Put him in the...
I have a better solution. It's called using the remove tool instead of destroying. Fuck you! Fine.
No. It's our gaming house. Let me have it. Let me have it. Let me have it.
What happened to our gaming house?
I don't know.
Do an admin reset.
I hate this frog.
We gotta game this.
Hello, tiny DM. Thanks. We have to have a SpongeBob doll. Mom, let me keep the SpongeBob rag doll.
Okay, so we need to actually start building it.
Yeah, but I need my SpongeBob rag doll.
Fine.
I want it.
Mom, Mom, Dad is taking my SpongeBob rag doll. SpongeBob is my friend.
You broke the
SpongeBob
stairs.
is my friend. SpongeBob is my friend. SpongeBob is my friend.
Why, Linda? Why? Why, Mr. Incredible? Why? Wow, I love this fucking cloud of smoke.
Ow.
You can't even walk upstairs. Can I have a SpongeBob doll?
Sure.
Thank you.
Do not.
I'll go outside and play with it.
Thank you.
I want it.
Mom, Dad's taking my
No.
Mr. SpongeBob. I'm telling.
Oh.
Oh, are you alive?
Ow.
Oops.
Why did you?
How long is this thing gonna
Annoying at
last?
all. Probably forever.
Yeah, you ruined it.
Thanks a lot,
Savien.
Michelle.
There.
Fuck you, asshole.
Guys, come in the house. Come in the house. I have something important. Stop. Okay, guys. Family meeting, please. Family
Alright.
meeting.
Next privilege.
Family meeting. Come in here. I got us a new pet. Hold on. I got us a new pet.
Jack Frost.
I got us a
Hi,
new
Jack
pet.
Frost.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
Why is he doing this?
Is it moving on its own?
Yeah, that's just how it works.
What a shitty.
The house is on fire. It's black on my screen.
You're black on my screen.
That's racist.
Oh. Linda, I am trying to set up the gaming house. This is a new season of Bob's Burgers where they live in a gaming house now.
Yeah, Mr. Uncanny looks at them from the distance. I love bouncing on my trampoline.
Fuck you, Louise.
Oh, I am so sorry. I did not think that through.
Come outside.
I am connected.
We're building a super gaming house and then it's gonna get demolished by a tractor.
You have to be Sumo so you can be Gene. Hey guys, we're gonna chill. Why is Bob Burger spazzing out?
Hey Louise, check out this new toy I got you. Check this out, check this out. What's it
Can
doing, Tark?
I take it to my room? Where's
Sure.
it? I'm gonna take it to my room. Thank you, Mom.
Guys.
I love it. Mom, my room fell apart.
Bobby, what are you doing?
I killed our daughter with a minigun from Team Fortress 2.
Hey Louise.
Oh, it's not flammable.
Louise, come in the door. Come in the door.
Okay.
Haha, I broke it the wall.
Who broke the gaming house? Was it you?
That.
Hi, fellas. Is that fucking Steven Universe 2?
No, it's Tina Vilcher, idiot. It's her, sister.
I don't like Tina Belcher.
I know who is behind this, guys. Guys, wait. I know who's behind this.
Guy.
Oh, it's Mr.
I hear
Beast.
you over.
Oh,
Mr. Beast.
It's Mr. Beast. No.
Bro, I
Mr.
love
Beast.
Mr. Beast.
Why did you do this, Mr. Beast?
Why would you do this?
Mr. Beast, give me $1,000. Alright, there's an opening over here.
I died again. The hitbox is
Hey,
way bigger than
Mind if I
actual,
hit the
like,
real quick?
character.
Come on, man. We're hitting the gritty.
That's it. I'm
It's
I'm
Mr.
sped up. I'm
Beast
gonna
in the
hit the
kill
gritty.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're recording.
You know, that's
Don't
it.
leak my IP, bro.
That's it. I'm going to California.
Where's that?
I don't know.
You live in California.
No, I don't. Where's that?
This is me going to California.
That is messed
He
up.
already forgot it. I literally do not have a single texture. That
Okay,
works.
I'll change the level.
Let's do destructible house.
I'm gonna
No.
kill you.
I remember back when I had a shitty computer and you guys like just got bored as soon as my thing.
You got
was done.
RTX 2060
Oh
actually.
yeah, I remember that. No, it's because you wouldn't install the add-on, so you had to wait for the game to install it for you, and it took forever.
No, I
Yeah,
installed
I
it
don't blame
properly.
her not wanting to install 600 add-ons.
Yeah, and half of them would be like SpongeBob player models.
Yeah, I remember.
They're
like,
necessary.
I remember I just typed in SpongeBob in the workshop and downloaded everything I saw.
So,
Like you suck.
Nick.
Logic Kill Your Own Father, Bob Belcher from Bob's Burgers, the hit TV show on Fox.
I hate you, but
Be sure to check out Bob's Burgers on Fox.
welcome
That's
to the
it.
new Bob's Burger season.
Bob's Burgers in Minecraft.
New episodes start next Sunday at 9:30 on Adult Swim.
A delayed game is eventually good, but a rush game is forever bad.
I
You
want to make
know
an
anything about
ASMR
that?
channel, but
A delayed game is eventually good, but a rush game is forever
Great.
bad.
Not coming.
Oh, you just killed the
I killed
same
Joe.
Everyone,
Bob's
quick,
Burgers.
hide in
Yeah.
Bob's Burgers.
Get
He's
in.
coming!
Bob's Burgers.
You're fucking get the next bots out of here.
Yeah, for real.
They're necessary to the lore.
Not necessary.
Oh yeah, I forgot you can walk on the ice, and then you could also break it by shooting it.
Oh my god.
Sigh, I just have to hit the gritty right now.
Oh, I just have to hit the gritty. Stop, it's lagging.
Sorry.
Whatever you're doing, it's lagging.
Clean it
Yeah,
up.
spawning fucking Bob's Burgers.
Get out of here.
Wow.
I just dragged out.
Please.
You're welcome.
What's up? Wow. No, come back here. That's it.
Put it down.
Hurry!
Oh, I like mine. Howie.
You
Saving
died.
is the only one who died.
Don't
Wheels
drive
are
in the
stuck.
water. Driving in the water is a very dangerous thing, so don't do it,
Wheels are
please.
stuck. Hold
Guys, just look at my boat real quick. It's kind of fragging out.
Don't do that. Don't drive in the water, please. Whoa, that's a cool boat.
on. I hate you so much.
Why'd you get into the
Alright,
water?
I'll pick you up.
Dangerous.
He saved you.
I'll be Joe Biden.
Check out my cool friend here.
Ow.
I,
Hey, do you guys like my boat? It worked!
Oh my god, it worked!
Yeah.
You getting dressed? I knew it.
Wait, you gotta put it on the water
do keep
first.
up, do keep upright. Do keep upright.
As
I'm
president, I should
actually
try
on the.
Wait,
Hi, Joe Biden.
Joe Biden.
You're old.
You're old.
what did you say?
You're old.
can you describe America in one word?
Of course, I just,
Boy.
thank you for joining me today, Mr. Darwin. We are going to explore America. This is America, of course. After the nuclear winter, we're gonna meet Donald Trump, and we're gonna say hi to him.
Oh my god. No, 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 no.
Wait, that's the next spot!
Barack Obama, the greatest president that
No, he's killing us.
He's so powerful.
Guys, look in the sky. Erasmus is planning something.
Oh, muscle,
big.
muscle.
No, no.
So wait,
Not really.
we're making awesome kid.
Guess doesn't even know what that is.
Yeah, I guess it doesn't matter.
It's good.
I just learned that.
There, it works.
I can
Okay,
put
okay.
down-
Wake up, awesome gay kid.
Yo,
Guys,
Biden.
You have been captured by the essay accounts.
Here I go.
Oh,
Look at
shit.
me go.
Just don't need that much help. No.
Boogie bomb.
No, I heard apparently if you have enough help, you can actually survive a next spot. I want to test that out.
How
Dude,
much help do I have?
No.
No. Okay.
Nice work.
Oh my
Oh,
god,
we're-
I survived it! I actually survived it!
Wow.
Bro, we gotta post this on YouTube and get fucking 2 Reddit gold.
Okay, be careful. I put a nuke in the skybox as a funny gag, but I don't want it to ignite.
Harassment is invading.
Oh, there, I found it.
What the fuck are you doing? I just told you not to mess with it!
I want to Biden right now. I'm not kidding. What?
Cannot catch me.
What's gonna happen, guys?
Recording this.
Yeah, well, I'm reporting that you suck at MGE.
I mean, you're the one who went fucking pyro.
You're the one who lost.
No, I won 3 out of the 5 games.
Yeah, well, you still lost 2 of them. So, yeah, get
Two
off.
of them. I mean, the
Why
game
is
has
your
started
model
already.
so ugly and like fucking deformed?
I mean, I'm just gonna assume that
The
you're the
medic
traitor.
model, yeah.
Oh, fuck, I'm finally here. Holy shit.
Who has a gun? Who has a
Savien.
gun?
Hello, I'm finally here. Hello.
You have the gun.
Ow!
You idiot!
Maybe you fucking moron.
I don't even know what's going on.
Alright guys, who wants to go to the water park?
Me.
I do, bro. I
Water
do.
park roleplay. Joe Biden water park roleplay.
No! Kim Jong-un killed me.
I turn you orange.
No.
So easy.
I win.
If you're not the murderer, spell bystander.
B-Y-S-T-A-N-D-E-R.
It's not hard to spell.
Wait, I was right.
Okay, it's definitely Pedro. He's like looking at me like. whatever.
You.
No!
Hey,
You
fuck
know what? I'm going to the water park. No, I'm
Run!
going to the water
Get my
park.
gun!
I'm going to the water park. I'm going to the water
Show
park.
you're a sheep. You believe
I'm
This is
that?
going
gonna
down
be
the
me on
slide.
January 24th, 2025. And
Hey, you want to go to the water
I'm
park
not
with
going
me?
to kill him.
Why'd you do that?
Murderer on the loose. Don't get killed.
Okay. You're the murderer, Michelle.
Yeah, kill Michelle.
pull out.
Savien, you wanna go to the water park?
Yeah.
Bum 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 bum.
Doo-doo.
Let's go to the park. Let's go to the water
No,
park.
don't mind-
Let's go down
don't
the
mind,
funny
no.
slide. Let's go down the slide.
Go to the slide, bro.
Let's go down the slide.
Go to the slide, bro.
Let's go to the water park, guys.
Yeah, let's go to the water park, guys.
Yes.
Hey guys, so today we're going to the water park, and so basically, if you
Hey,
don't know what the
guys.
water park is, it is basically a game where you can do
You can
whatever you want.
Whatever you want. Oh, I don't trust Kim Jong-un. He's gonna kill us. He's gonna kill us. He's gonna kill
I'm
us.
going to kill you.
I'm
Why did
stuck. How did I die? I'm just. Oh my god. I'm actually sliding down as the dead person.
You are a bystander.
He's a murderer. He's a murderer.
There is a murderer on the
What
loose.
is the text after? What is the text after?
There's a murderer on the loose. Find him and kill him.
I don't care.
Oh, shit. Help me.
Oh, savien. Oh, savien.
Savien, killer.
I don't feel. I want to go to the water park.
Water park.
I'm gonna go slide to the water park.
Michelle, it's so fucking easy to find him. He's standing in the open.
Hi, Michelle. Oh, come get me. Oh, come get me.
Guess he's open.
I could do that. I could do that with my hands tied behind my.
He's in the
He still
water.
hasn't gotten the gun. What an idiot.
I
Michelle,
don't
you're
need
the
the
one.
gun.
You're the fucking idiot here. He's standing in the open.
He's hiding behind the walls.
Smash
Hey,
him.
how's it going? Hey, how's it going? I got smoke on the channel. You know who I am? Hold on, I gotta hit the gritty real quick.
There.
Oh, I win. Hey guys, let's go to the water park.
Yeah,
Hey, let's go to the water park, bro.
The water
water
is now
park?
playing Team Fortress 2.
He's now playing Team Fortress 2.
Fuck!
Hey guys, let's go to the
Oh,
water
shit.
park.
KOS.
I'm on a-
Savien, you're the murderer. Savien's the
Savien.
murderer.
I'm going on the slide now. I'm in the water park.
Why'd you kill
I
me?
thought that was Savien.
Hey, large drink. Do you want me to put you out of your misery?
No. I can't see anything. Why'd you...
I win. I was a murderer, by the way. Hey guys, welcome to the channel.
How the fuck are you alive?
What? No, you're cheating.
You're just cheating. It's not funny you're cheating.
Alright,
Yeah,
I turned on
for-
God Dog. You can kill me.
I win. I'm hitting the gritty for Ukraine.
I love that video so fucking much.
Which one?
David, get out of the stall.
No. Hey guys, how's it going?
He's right there!
It's still on.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hey guys, I'm going on the slide now. I'm going on the slide. I'm on the slide. Look at me on the slide. Look. Get away.
Why do you run so fast? Guys, if you're the murderer, just say it.
I'm the murderer.
I'm the murderer.
I'm the murderer.
I'm the murderer.
He's hiding in the lobby. By the windows.
Oh fuck!
Let's go to the water park, guys. Let's go to the water park.
Go to the water park, guys.
Let's go to the water park, guys. Let's go to the water park.
I see him. It's Kim Jong Un.
Let's go to the water.
You are a bystander. There's a murder on the loose. Don't get killed.
You're
You are
a
here.
murderer.
Try not to
murderer.
get caught.
Oh, get killed.
It's Michelle. She read it. It was Michelle. It was Michelle.
Wait, how did you lock me?
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Yeah, seriously, don't do that.
Hold on. Fuck.
Fucking idiot.
That's a W.
You are a murderer. Don't get caught.
You're the murderer.
You are a murderer. You are a murderer. Fine.
It's
excellent.
Michelle. She didn't say it. She didn't say it. It's Michelle.
You are a murderer.
Kill
Try
Michelle.
not to get caught.
Kill
No! No!
Kill Michelle.
It's Kim Jong Un. It's Kim Jong Un.
Kill Michelle.
It's Kim Jong Un.
It is. Kill Michelle. Kill Michelle.
No.
How'd you fly? What the fuck?
Cool. It's time
Oh,
for
you're good.
us to wait like 5 minutes for them to find Savien.
Oh fuck! I'm stupid. What the fuck? Editors, no, go by that frame by frame and show them that was unfair.
There's a murderer on the loose. Don't get caught.
There's a murderer on the loose.
You are a murderer. Don't get caught.
Go to the water park. Go to
I
the
don't
water
trust Kim Jong Un. I don't trust him.
Let's go to the
Let's get to
water.
the water park. Let's get to the water
Guys,
park. Let's get to
Guys,
the water
I
park.
think Darwin's up to no good.
So easy.
Fuck. There's a murder on the loose. Don't get killed.
There's a murderer on the loose. Don't get caught.
There's a murderer on the loose. Don't
It's
get
Savien.
killed. No, 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 no,
It's
no,
Kim.
no, no,
It's Kim.
no.
It's Kim. It's
You're
Kim.
right by me.
It's Kim. It's Kim. It's Kim.
No, it's the left.
What? That's bullshit.
You did it right away.
Because he was right next to me.
No, 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 no.
So easy.
Guys, I think Kim Jong Un is the murderer.
Yeah, I think Kim Jong Un's a
I
murderer.
think Kim Jong Un.
Yeah, honestly.
Kim Jong Un.
Where's the gun if he died? How did he
Yeah,
die?
there's no way it's not contained.
Alright, we're playing this game now. Okay.
Yeah.
So easy.
You're the murderer. Don't get caught.
You're the murderer. Don't get caught.
It's
Y'all guys
Biden.
think
It's
I'm, like,
Biden.
only
It's
balling.
Biden. It's Biden. Shoot him. Shoot him.
That's what y'all think of my only
It's
bond.
medic. It's medic. It's Savien. Get him.
No.
Kill
No,
Savien.
no.
Kill
You have
Savien.
no proof. You have no proof.
Savien.
You have no
Kill
proof. You have no
I saw you
proof.
stab.
I'm going down the slide. I'm going down the slide. I'm going in the water. I'm in the water now. I'm in the water. I'm in the water, guys.
Savien. Yeah, I think it's Savien.
I'll
Wait, how
send
did-
you where that video's from. No, don't.
You. Actually, stop, asshole.
Get in the
I
water.
can't
Get in the
stop
water.
it.
Get in the water.
Oh wow.
No.
How do you do that shit?
I'm not telling you because it's only fun for me. Jong-un is down.
Bitch your ass.
You are the murderer. Try not to
That's
get caught.
Michelle. That's Michelle. Kill.
No,
No,
no.
kill Michelle.
Kill Michelle.
No, kill me. Fuck you.
Yeah, it's going. Let's go, Joe Biden. Let's go, Joe Biden.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel.
Shot.
Everybody, look at the video I just sent.
The murderer.
You're a
Don't get caught.
bystander.
Michelle's a murderer. Kill her.
No, 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 no. Not again, not again. Haha, you drop your knife, you idiot.
Come here, Romeo. Fuck. Keep dropping it. It's laggy.
I win.
Oh, trick stab. U-I-S.
You are a murderer with a secret weapon. Try not to get caught.
With a secret weapon.
Help me.
I'm not chasing. No, he's a murderer. Nick's the murderer, actually.
He's chasing.
I do not
me.
trust you. I do not trust
do.
you.
Help.
Yeah, Nick's the
Guys.
murderer, actually.
Please.
No. No.
Literally,
I do not trust Nick.
why are you trying to kill me?
It's Savien. Get him.
It's Nick, guys. It's Nick. Guys, it's Nick.
How's it going? Where is it?
Guys,
Where
it's
is
Nick.
it?
It's Nick, guys. It's Nick, guys. Guys, it's Nick. Guys, it's Nick.
The
Guys,
gun,
it's
it's near
Nick.
my
It's
body.
Nick.
It's near my
Gun.
body. Get it. Get it.
It's Nick, guys. He did it. It's Nick. He did it. You are a secret weapon. Don't get bystander.
Nice shot.
Thanks.
No.
I'm a murderer, by the way.
Stop following me. Stop
Not me.
following me.
Look, y'all are fucking sheep. Fuck you.
Oops. It's we fight.
Help me, Savien. It's Biden behind me.
I gotta go out the water slide real quick.
No. He's in the room. The boiler room.
I'm in the room. Should I do it? Oh, fuck.
He's up on the rails.
You just disabled Gus's admin because he's a
Yeah, I'm gonna
stupid
do that.
computer.
Oh!
It's- yeah, the table's a turn.
Waiting for my perfect moment to strike.
No, you're not. You're just being a bitch.
How are you still behind?
I threw the knife. Ow!
I don't want
Guess
to
I
do no
heard-
more.
Wait, hold on. I'm
Win.
just trying
Guess-
to figure it out.
Guys, you just took a huge L.
Well, who's the one who wins?
Me. It's definitely Michelle.
Why would you say that?
She's chasing me with a knife. She just threw it at me.
You have no proof.
I dropped my knife somewhere. Hold on, guys. Just kindly let me find my knife. Kindly DM me. Mark, there's a murderer on the loose.
Ow.
It's Savien.
No.
Why would you say that? You have no proof.
Yeah, you have
I
no
have
proof.
tons of. I literally just saw him stab Gus.
What are you talking about? You're lying.
No.
Dumbass.
Where were you?
My house.
I'm
Oh, is that
Ewok.
is that Uncle Grandpa?
Hi, Uncle Grandpa.
Morning. Morning.
It's me, bud. It's me, bud.
Meat wide ratios, young boy.
No.
Look up. He's up. He's literally right above you.
Hey, come get me. Hey, come get me.
Okay, someone just put me out of my misery.
I will.
You suck at aiming. I'm literally giving you this. You fucking idiot. Oh wait, there it is.
Alright, stay still. Oh man, she's so elusive.
That's
Come
it.
on, Fry Rock. We gotta do this. I win. Was that pink? Was that pink guy? Nick the idiot decided to put TTT
That
on.
hit me too.
Gosh, Nick.
Gosh, Nick.
Nick, why do you always gotta be a buzzkill?
It's Crocker.
I have the gun.
Ow! That's already in, bro.
You're transgender! F!
Oh my god, guys, it's shaders. It's just like shaders.
It's Mr. Crocker.
Why do you always kill me?
It's because you're Mr. Crocker.
Yeah. I don't want you to give me an F.
Wait, you wouldn't kill Jack
Transgender.
Frost, would you?
No.
Transgender.
No, you killed Jack Frost. And it's doing the ragdoll thing.
That's just cheating, Michelle. When you crouch, you literally cannot be seen. Like you clip through the ground.
A little one threat.
Okay, I'll change the model. Oh my god, guys. Look at how hecking derpy I am.
Bro, this is a hashtag meme.
I'm moving so slow.
Excuse me?
You are racist. Don't get racist.
I don't even know what this is. It's so huge.
It's probably Eric Carton.
Oh my god.
Holy shit! That's scary. Nick's a murderer.
I heard the Gmod, like, there's no more, like, space.
No!
You a
He's
buddy
right
guy?
there.
Hey.
Yeah, you can come up here. No, it's alright. You can come up here.
Throw the knife. That'll be a really good idea.
Yeah,
Throw the
do
knife.
it.
Throw the knife, bro.
Wow, what a good idea. Ooh, you almost got me. Ooh, what's in here? I'm gonna go. What? Hey, that's not fair.
Stop trying to lie your way out of this.
Look behind you.
Oh,
Look
hey.
behind
Don't kill me, please.
you. Michelle, kill
Where
him
is
right
he?
now.
He's right there. Kill him.
You suck at aiming.
Watch out. Don't. No. He's fucking doing the epic strafing.
You all suck at aiming compared to me.
I win.
Shoot him.
So where'd you die at?
I shot him!
Okay.
Yeah, but
I'll have
I
a really
stopped.
big player model.
Big
You wouldn't
Will.
hurt Big World, would you?
It's Big Will.
Oh my god, Big World is big.
Away from
Hey,
you,
it's-
Big Will.
I'm Big Wolf. You can shine
Oh,
no
wait.
matter what you make. You can shine no matter what you make. You can shine no matter what you make. You can
wait.
shine no matter what you make. You can shine no matter what you make. You can shine no matter what you make. Alright, there's also a Defender player model if anyone wants to do that.
Not being Defender. Their model for
You can
someone-
shine no matter what you made
You
him.
can shine no matter what you make. You can shine no matter what you make. You can shine. Get back to work or you're fired. Get back to work or you're fired. Get back to work or you're fired.
It's been.
Get back.
You'll get an F for trying to kill me.
Transgender.
You can shine no matter what you're doing.
Good job.
Inside voice.
Hey guys, let's go up here.
You
Wait.
can shine no matter what you made him.
You take L's. You take L's. You take L's on a daily basis. You take L's.
Well,
Hello, this is Stewie Griffin from Family Guy.
hello, this is Bender from Family Guy.
Hello, this is Stewie Griffin from Family Guy. Hello, this is Stewie Griffin from
You guys
Family Guy.
can score.
Hello, this is Stewie Griffin from Family Guy. Hello, this is Stewie Griffin from Family Guy. You know what for me? You know what for me?
Ow!
Hello, this is Stewie Griffin from Family Guy. Hello, this is
Shoot
Stewie
me.
Griffin from Family Guy. Hello, this is Stewie Griffin from Family Guy. Hello, this is Stewie Griffin from Family Guy. I can't even see. Hello, this is Stewie Griffin from Family Guy. You guys have all a wonderful life. I love you all so much.